Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a flaky pie crust. So let's get started. First, in a medium bowl, add in the flour, salt, and sugar, and mix them together until they're combined. Then cut up the butter into small pieces and add it into the dry ingredients. And use your fingers to rub it into the dry ingredients until you get pea-sized pieces of butter. Try not to do it too long, because if it's too fine, your pie crust won't be as flaky. And add in the ice-cold water. Start by adding 5 tablespoons and mix them with a spoon to combine the ingredients. And use your hands to bring it together into a ball. And if it's too dry, add in another tablespoon of ice-cold water and continue mixing it until it forms a ball. And if it's still too dry, add in a teaspoon of water at a time and mix it in between. Only add a little water at a time, because if it's too dry, you can always add more, but if it's too wet, you can't take it out. And once you've formed a ball, wrap it in plastic wrap, pressing it down to form a disc. And place it into the fridge for at least 30 minutes so it's well chilled. And once your dough is chilled, lightly flour your work surface. And place your chilled dough on top. Add a little more flour to the top. And to get it even more flaky, roll it into a rectangle. And fold it in half, and roll it into a rectangle again, and fold it in half, and do the process again 2 more times. And once you're done, lightly flour the surface again, and roll it out until it's about 1/8 of an inch thick and about 1 to 2 inches bigger than your pie pan. And if your dough isn't rolling out easily, then let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes and then continue rolling it out, and it should be much easier. Then roll up the dough onto the rolling pin and unroll it over the ungreased pie pan. And gently lift and lower the crust until it fits the pan. And trim off the excess from around the edges. And that's how to make a flaky pie crust. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.